Defending your company's network against today's advanced threats is a challenge for all organizations across every industry, regardless of size. Some organizations rely on traditional cybersecurity solutions to keep them secure. Unfortunately, those traditional solutions don't always offer cybersecurity support the way MainNerve does. Resulting from our previous role in defending national security, our testers have extended their deep military-based cybersecurity knowledge to help protect the commercial sectors. Our robust experience has been used to take care of thousands of American companies. MainNerve's qualitative approach to penetration testing and compliance services helps provide remarkable and affordable cybersecurity solutions with mitigation reports to ensure that your network and information are protected. MainNerve is your one-stop shop for cybersecurity penetration testing and vulnerability scanning. The different types of penetration testing we perform are network, web application, mobile application, API, Wi-Fi, SCADA, ICS, and more. We partner with our customers to test against various models within numerous compliance standards and requirements. We help to defend your company against advanced attackers. MainNerve detects threats by testing your endpoints behind your network security. We do this by utilizing MainNerve's unmatched manual testing process that are conducted by US-based technical experts. MainNerve also provides comprehensive visibility of possible threats in your network by enabling testers to easily set up and conduct extensive searches for known and unknown threats across your entire organization's network, or just a piece of it. It really depends upon the business needs. MainNerve's ability to proactively look for vulnerabilities helps prevent an attacker from moving around your network and preventing them from accessing, stealing, or destroying your company's data. MainNerve also provides a fundamental foundation for the security of your organization through security risk assessments. We do this by helping our customers ensure that controls and safeguards are in place with the risk to which the organizations are exposed. We have the nerve.